Today, we get a rare opportunity to watch the PUBG Mobile Global Championship 2024 at the London XL. I've got to say, this is the first time I've ever watched a live championship in person, and it was pretty cool, so I'm just going to show you what it was like.
They're going to be able to pick and choose on this one. You can see, he's going to be making elimination first. And World of Wonders, you can see it right here on your screen, Max. I know you have played Worlds of Wonders before. Tell me about it. I played it, Sonny.
Walking into Championship Sunday in second place. But can they claim the top spot by the end of the day? It is ERX.
From years, though I do think if it is after 7, they can likely jump up to a stronger position. I'm not thinking they're overtaking our top squad stuff. It would be a really cool. That is the issue with Team Spirit, is that they swing wildly between performance to performance, and it is difficult. I will 100% stand by the fact that I do think that Logan is currently the best player in the world. It's hard to top the consistency of the damage numbers. On that north edge, 3 players though, what is the range? The fact that there was elimination taken there. They've got 3 even, so they need to try and push for more. They need to rise to the top. Looks to put them down. Bexy on the front line. 2 players to go into it. BD. 8 even for Razak already. Come on, BD. And they need 3 more. Bexy. He's a long-range specialist, but put him in the boiler. And let's see what he's got. 3 players close by. Law the first to face. Razak standing up. They're taken down. And it's a 1v3. First is taken out. Bexy has no way. Back it up, EBS in hand, they're playing one side of the block. Bexy gets clipped here, low HP, circle, head back down D+'s way. But they are pushing onto the Vicious. This is their last obstacle. 2 lanes in hand for no move. He's seen them. He knows their location. Of like how wide Formosa. 2024. 2 players stand in their way.
So I'm sure you can see it was absolutely amazing, full of energy, and the winners turned out to be D+ from Korea. They were pretty skilled and just totally on the ball the whole time. And the team ended up taking about $1.6 million at the end of this competition. So that's pretty amazing. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions or anything else you'd like to see, please let me know and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.